Level 1, homeless. You wake up, not thinking about success, but survival. Where will I sleep tonight? When will I eat next? Money isn't a goal here. It's life or death. There's no planning, no saving, just surviving the day. Level 2, broke. You have a place to stay, but barely. Every expense feels heavy. Even a small bill creates stress. You constantly check your bank account, hoping nothing unexpected happens. At this level, money controls your emotions. Level 3, paycheck to paycheck. Now you earn, but it disappears fast. Rent, bills, food, subscriptions. You feel stable, but one emergency can break everything. There's no real progress, just a loop. Earn, spend, repeat. Level 4, financially stable. For the first time, you can breathe. Bills are paid on time. You're not stressed about every dollar. You can save a little, maybe invest. Life feels under control, but not free yet. Level 5, comfortable. Now money gives you options. You can travel, upgrade your lifestyle, buy things without constant stress. But here's the truth. You're still trading time for money. If you stop working, income stops. Level 6, financial freedom. This is where everything changes. Your investments pay your expenses. You don't need to work anymore. You choose to work. Time becomes your biggest asset. Level 7, wealthy. Now money works harder than you ever could. You own assets, businesses, investments. Your income grows. Even while you sleep, you think in millions, not monthly bills. Level 8, rich or millionaire. You can afford almost anything you want. Luxury homes, cars, experiences. But more importantly, you buy back your time and freedom. Money is no longer a limitation. Level 9, billionaire. At this level, money isn't personal anymore. You're not thinking about spending, you're thinking about impact. Building companies, changing industries, influencing the world. Money becomes a tool for power and legacy. Same world, different realities. Every level of wealth feels completely different. The question is, where are you right now? And where do you want to go? Subscribe for more powerful wealth insights. Comment your current level below.